Hi, I'm Jafari from 8 Skies Consulting. This is continuation of our discussion how we can use this accounting system to manage transactions in education institutions such as schools and colleges. So in part 1 of this lesson, according to our model question, the question said the name of the school is 8 Skies Consulting, and it is not a new school, so it started 3 years ago. And on 1st of January, when we started using the system, we had this amount in the bank account, and we had that one in form of cash. So we recorded our cash balance as 12 million, and we recorded our cash balance is 4 million, and our bank balance is 12 million, this one. And then the question says these are the students who are there in 2020. So let's now see how to add these students in the system. But if you have many students, then creating one student by another, it will take you very long time, of course. So good news is we have a method where we can upload all the students at once, assuming that we have the names in an Excel format. So how do we upload students' names in the system at once? That's what we're going to discuss right now. So going back to our accounting system, this is our summary, which shows we have this amount in the bank account and this one in form of cash. In order to upload the students, we scroll down to the customers tab here. Students are customers to us. So you click on customers, and then you say batch create. Why? Because we want to create them in batches, in groups. And then you click on this tab here, written copy to the clipboard. So when you click on this tab, you can see you click on this, you can see it is writing copied, which means you have copied the format which is understandable by the system. So we have copied the format, and then we go to the Excel sheet, and then we paste the format. So you can see our format says this column we should have student's name, and this column we should have codes, and the other columns as you can see. But for now, important columns are name column and code column. Now these are our students. These are our students. And what about their codes? These are their codes. Of course, the code column is describing which grade that particular student is. For example, this John Joseph, that means Joseph is in Form 1 2020, and he's a day scholar. Grace is in Form 1 in the year 2020, but she's a boarding school. She stays in boarding. So these are the important columns. So you will have all the names in this column and their description in this column. And then we copy this information. We are copying this one because remember it is in the format which can be understood by the system. So we go to the system, and then we paste in this open space here. Once you paste in this open space, you click next, and then you say batch create. Once you click on batch create and you click on customers, now you can see these are the students here, and these are their codes. Now why is it important to include the codes? It's because if you, for example, if we search Form 1 only, we search them by the codes here. So I'm going to write Form 1, and then I search. So you can see only 2 students here. We have Grace and Joe. Okay. If we search Form 2, then you will be able to see Form 2 students. When you search day scholars, you will be able to see day scholars. Now, this is why it is important to have the codes when you register these students. Thank you very much for listening and watching.